Hi, welcome to Backyard Birdwatching Month with the Randall Museum. My name is Amy and I'm going to teach you how to make an American goldfinch. This is a picture I printed from the internet of an American goldfinch, nice and yellow and black. This is the project that I'm going to teach you how to make. Supplies you'll need to gather are 2 circles that you can use for tracing, a pencil, a larger piece of paper for building your bird on, a tub for putting glue in, glue, either tacky glue or Elmer's glue, yellow paper and black paper. If you don't have these colors, that's okay, just use the colors that you have. The first step is get your large piece of paper and your circles. We're gonna trace the bird body. So I'm gonna put my large circle and I'm gonna trace it. I'm using the black marker. You can use your pencil. I'm using the black marker because I want you to be able to see it right now. So there's the main body and here's the head. Trace it. You can trace your head wherever you want on your bird body. So it ends up looking like this. And if you look at the picture of the bird, here's the main body, and then here's the head. The next step is you're gonna get your yellow paper, or whatever paper you have, whatever color you have, and you're gonna rip it. If you rip it one direction, you get nice long feather-like pieces of paper. If you rip the other direction, you get smaller, shorter feathers. I tend to like the long ones because they end up curling a little bit. So go ahead and rip a bunch of feathers, lots and lots of feathers. The next step is I'm gonna figure out where the eye and the beak go on the head. So if you look at the picture, the eye is kind of right in the middle of that head circle and the beak goes off to the side. So I'm going to take my marker, or you could do this with pencil. I'm going to make an eye and then a beak. The next step is to open the lid of your glue and put a little bit of glue in your tub for dipping feathers into. And then we're gonna feather up our bird by taking the little rippings and gluing them onto the bird body. And you'll notice on this picture of the American goldfinch, there's a little bit of black on the head, but most of the body is yellow and there's some black feathers on the back of this bird's body. So most of the body is covered in yellow feathers. So let's do that first. Now that I've got most of my yellow feathers on, I'm gonna rip some black feathers. And I want them to be a little bit longer because the wing on this American goldfinch, see how it's a little bit longer? And then you'll want some shorter ones for the top of the head. And then you're gonna glue them on. This long black feather is also the wing, the lower part of the wing. So I'm gonna glue this on, kind of tucked into some of the gold feathers. That. And then you can glue the head feathers on. The smaller feathers all around her eye and his beak. Then with your black marker or your pencil, you can draw some feet on your bird. There you have it. And then it'd be great to write American Goldfinch on the top so you remember. I hope you enjoyed this project and have fun looking for birds in your neighborhood.